So as we're talking about missing teeth, which we're going to do today, and ways of replacing them, I went for a previous video on a removable partial denture to a full denture. Okay, so let's say somebody comes in and they don't have their teeth, and it's not quite that easy to take teeth out, but sometimes it actually is for some people. So let's say they come in with no teeth at all, and this is all the gums right here. Okay, then we have to make what's called a full denture. Everybody is aware of what a full denture is. Basically, it goes, when it's in the mouth, it goes in like this. You can then, when somebody smiles, you can see teeth, which is nice. The only issue is that there's a few problems with the denture. Number one is your ability to chew food is definitely limited and restricted. When you do lose teeth, your bone does shrink down over time, and the only thing that keeps a full denture in on the top is a suction on the roof of the mouth. Okay, and that kind of like goes in, but it's very limited. If people try to chew with it, especially if they have natural teeth on the lower, sometimes that can move that denture around. People have more of a challenge of eating foods. Probably only can bite down with a very limited amount of force, and so that's one issue. And the other one is your ability to enjoy food. The thermal part of our process of taste is the temperature. So if the roof of the mouth is covered, like this case here, then what it does is it restricts the amount of ability to taste hot and cold, which is part of that process. So temperatures, that's affected. Also, over time, if nothing is there to stimulate the bone inside, the gums will continue to shrink down, and then dentures need to be lined with new plastic. But definitely it's better to try to do something to help support when they're missing teeth. But you know, some people, this is just what their options are, and that's fine, and we do our best we can to help meet those needs. We'll definitely work with you on your best options for tooth replacement. So please give us a call at 586-247-3500 to discuss that. Thank you.